How do you avoid fakeouts in your trading, and how do you avoid running into fakeouts? This is a very, very common question that I get asked a lot from my students or whenever I do a live stream. And this is a very, very important question to address, but the answer goes much, much deeper than what you expect. And Moritz has a very, very nice quote once. He said that many traders have a good trading strategy and then they destroy it by trying to turn it into a perfect one. And it fits here right in perfectly. So the best answer is, when it comes to avoiding fakeouts, when it comes to improving your win rate in general, is that this is the wrong area to focus on. Don't try to create a trading strategy where you look at your last losing trades and then you ask yourself, how could I have avoided all of those losses? And then you implement some adjustments, you tweak something, maybe you add an indicator or a new rule, and then you apply it into your real trading. Obviously, nothing works 100%. And again, you hit a losing trade, then you get frustrated, you look at how could I have avoided the loss, you change something again, and then you end up with a trading strategy that is always changing. It's like a Frankenstein, which is never ever finished, and you're always just changing everything from one trade to the next. And this is obviously not good if you want to become a consistently profitable trader, because you need to have a consistent approach first. And what I always advise my students when it comes to improving win rate or avoiding fakeouts is that don't worry about those things, but focus on how to let your winning trades run longer. So I'm sure you can hit winning trades every now and then, but if you look closely, I'm pretty sure I've seen it in my trading and my students' tradings, is that you cut your winning trades too early. I think there's even been some broker research where they looked at trading data and they found out that most traders, they can pick winning trades every now and then very, very accurately, but when they hit a winning trade, they cut the win way too early. On the other hand, they let the losing trades get out of hand. So you have this imbalance between small winners and huge losses. And instead of trying to improve your win rate, you should focus on that area of your trading first, because it's much, much more simple to fix this area of your trading, where you just try to find ways how you can let your winning trades longer. It can be as simple as just reduce screen time. You can add new indicators, for example, like the tunnel, which I explained in previous YouTube videos, or just not dropping to a lower time frame, staying on your higher time frame during the duration of your trade. Those can be very, very simple fixes. And this will be very different for every trader, how you can avoid those micromanaging mistakes where you just always try to babysit your trades, and then once you're in the trade, you're so glued to your charts and you're sweating every uptick, every downtick, that even the smallest move against your position looks very threatening, and then you close your trade way too early. So I'm pretty sure that if you go through your last 20, 30, 40 trades, you will realize that there's a very, very common pattern, that your winning trades are probably not as large as they could be, and your losing trades are much larger than they need to be. So try to focus on that. Look at your trade management and understand how can you improve your trade management, or is this an issue first? First comes the awareness and then comes the problem fixing, so to speak. And the same holds true for losing trades. Learn to cut losses effectively. This is going to help you much, much more over the long term, especially as a trader, when you understand how to cut losing trades the right way. Don't let losses get out of hand. Don't add to a losing trade. Don't widen your stop loss. I've been there. We've all been there. We've done that. But there needs to come this point where you need to make the decision that, all right, I'm going to approach trading seriously and professionally, and I'm not hunting a holy grail system which doesn't have losses, but I'm trying to accept a trading system which maybe has a win rate of 60%, maybe 55%, which is plenty if you have a good reward to risk ratio. But people can't make those lower win rates work because their winning trades are so small and their losses are so big. So again, my challenge to you and my task for you, go through your last 20, 30 trades and write down for every single trade, did you manage your loss correctly? Did you cut your winning trade too soon? Did you let your loss get out of hand? And once you have done that, you have a very good understanding already of if micromanagement is an issue for you. And then you can implement changes in your trading. However, I have seen that once the awareness is there, once you have done the work and you put the trades on a piece of paper or in your trading journal, then you will already see that, all right, I could have made so much more money if I just done this. And once you see that your trading results are not a complete mess, there's still hope, then obviously you can approach your trading with much, much more confidence. Once you realize, okay, there's a profitable core in my strategy, I just need to build on it step by step. And this is done not by trying to increase your win rate necessarily, but it's done through increasing your winners and reducing your losses. So I hope this video helped you in your trading, gave you a new idea what to look for. Let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe, and I wish you all the best until the next time.